Welcome to the English Story Well channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Family man, woman, boy characters. Adam, a 28-year-old office worker. Sarah, his wife. Tom, his co-worker. Mrs. Linda, the shopkeeper. Dr. Ben, the doctor. Blue Book vocabulary you will learn. Wake up, brush, breakfast, bus stop, office, lunch, market, fruits, vegetables, medicine, tired, conversation, appointment, polite, helpful. Sunrise Chapter 1, Good morning. Adam wakes up at 7 a.m. Adam. Good morning, Sarah. Sarah. Good morning, Adam. How did you sleep? Adam. I slept well, thank you. Adam goes to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and takes a shower. He comes back to the kitchen. Sarah gives him toast and tea. Sarah, here is your breakfast. Adam. Thank you. It looks delicious. Man walking Chapter 2, Going to work. Adam leaves the house at 8 a.m. He walks to the bus stop. He sees his friend Tom there. Adam. Hi, Tom. Are you going to the office? Tom. Yes. The weather is nice today. Adam. Yes, sunny and cool. I like it. The bus comes. They sit together and talk. Office building Chapter 3, At the office. Adam and Tom reach the office. They sit at their desks. Manager. Good morning, everyone. Please check your emails and start your work. Adam checks his computer. He works on a report. At 1 p.m., it's time for lunch. Adam goes to the canteen with Tom. Adam. I will eat rice and chicken today. Tom. I want a sandwich and juice. They eat and talk about the weekend. Shopping bags Chapter 4, At the market. After work, Adam goes to the market. He wants to buy fruits and vegetables. He sees Mrs. Linda, the shopkeeper. Adam. Good evening, Mrs. Linda. Mrs. Linda. Good evening, Adam. What would you like today? Adam. 1 kilo of apples, ½ kilo of tomatoes, and some onions, please. Mrs. Linda. Sure. Here you go. Adam. How much is it? Mrs. Linda. It's $4. Adam. Here is $5. Keep the change. Mrs. Linda. Thank you. Have a nice day. Adam. You too. Face with thermometer Chapter 5, Going to the doctor. Adam feels tired. His head hurts. He calls the clinic. Adam. Hello. Can I book an appointment with Dr. Ben? Receptionist. Yes, Dr. Ben is free at 6:30 p.m. Adam. Great. I'll be there. At the clinic, Dr. Ben checks him. Dr. Ben. You have a cold. Take this medicine for 3 days. Adam. Thank you, doctor. Dr. Ben. Drink warm water and rest. Adam goes to the pharmacy and buys the medicine. House Chapter 6, At home. Adam comes home at 7:30 p.m. Sarah. Welcome home. Are you okay? Adam. I have a cold. The doctor gave me medicine. Sarah gives him hot soup and puts a blanket on him. Sarah. Rest now. I will take care of everything. Adam. Thank you, Sarah. You are the best. They smile. Adam feels better with her love. Crescent Moon Chapter 7, Good night. At 9:30 p.m., Adam goes to bed. Adam. Good night, Sarah. Sarah. Good night. Sleep well. Adam sleeps with a smile. White heavy checkmark Useful phrases from the story. How did you sleep? The weather is nice today. What would you like? Can I book an appointment? You are the best. Have a nice day. Books practice tips. Pause the video and repeat the conversations. Practice with a friend or speak alone. Write your own version of Adam's day. Backhand index pointing right if you like the story. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English conversations and vocabulary practice. Movie camera. My name is Emily. English listening and speaking practice. Heart-touching story in simple English. Welcome to this emotional and inspiring English story video. My name is Emily. This is a heart-touching story about a mother's love, pain, and hope. It is written in simple English to help you improve your listening and speaking skills. In this video, you will listen to a story about Emily, a woman who faces a broken heart, loneliness, and loss, but never stops believing in love. This story will help you practice spoken English, understand emotional vocabulary, and learn to express feelings in English. White heavy checkmark what you will learn. Everyday English phrases and vocabulary. Simple English sentences for daily use. How to express emotions in English. Improve your listening and speaking fluency. Direct hit perfect for English learners at level 2 or 3, ESL students and teachers, people who enjoy emotional English stories, viewers practicing English conversation and shadowing, books video highlights, story of a mother, her son, and life struggles, emotional dialogue in clear, slow English, easy to follow narration for beginners and intermediate learners. Lightbulb how to use this video. Listen carefully to each line. Pause and repeat the sentences. Practice shadowing. Speak along with the narrator. Learn new words and expressions. Reflect on the story's meaning. Folded hands. If you enjoyed the story, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to help you learn English through stories.